Alright, hey guys, and welcome to another Enchanted mail. And as you guys might know, I did quit, but I decided not to. So, well, I will be on a lot, but I will also be on others. So, I'm doing it here because everybody was calling me a scammer, and they told me just record it, just record it, recording. So, okay, so, yeah, I don't even know these people. So let's go. Thank you. No. Yo, let's be buddies. Sorry, no, you called me a big fat scammer. Sunflower lamp. Thank you. Croquet set. From Chewy Boo 23. Teapots. Thank you. I do have some extra just random stuff here that I need to give away. And by the way, guys, Tiger Lily gave me and Tali all their stuff back, so yeah. Sorry, I can't keep necklaces. Star Rock. I'm just like, whoa, that's really cool. That actually looks really, really cool. Why do I have that? I should really recycle that. It was from the adventure that I was playing. Freedom Hamster. Don't I have another Freedom Hamster somewhere? Oh, what the heck. Goodbye, wooden toy box. United States of America. No, I'm not going to recycle that. That looks so cool. I got the lion. Sorry, I can't get that. Jamon. Thank you. I will put that on my plushie account because my plushie account has tables all over its stem, and that's how it gives the plushies. Lightning bolt. Thank you. Ooh, okay. Thank you. I love lightning bolt necklaces. Thank you. If I don't get anything greater than that, you're the child. By the way, I got one for my purple one, which is probably. There you can have that freedom hamster. No, not that sofa. I need that sofa. I don't like sofa, and I don't care. Welcome. Or pink sofa. Thank you. It's kind of raspberry though. I had a dream where I had a raspberry bow, and I don't even know why. From Mighty Tiger 01. Thank you. Miss Tough Claw. Thank you. Raccoon hat. Thank you. Beta flower bush. Thank you. Okay. Hold on, guys. Let me just open up another tab here. From Red Wolf 778. Thank you. What? My inventory's full already? Oh yeah, it's because I have this and some necklaces and stuff. I have a lot of stuff. So the reason why I have the sun necklaces, they're best friend necklaces, of course. This is just a website I am making. Here's another gift from Wild Chicken 123. I'm gonna send one of those head feathers to Tali and one of them to Finn. Okay, that's gonna be the They think they're really, really good beta. So what the? Here all you say it's beta. Beta. Here, you have the rare one. Here, here you say it's beta. There you go. Thank you. Sorry, table. I'm running out of dead space. Wait, I have a brush. Oh, I'm going to have to recycle that star. No! Wait, no I don't. I'm recycling that. That star is just so cool. Here you go. This better be good if it's going to take so long. Loading, 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 loading! Okay, oh, what the? Shell chair, thank you. Here is a gift from Wild Chicken 123. It's a kangaroo. Getting stuff from a kangaroo isn't really that good. Well, if you can send animals, that'd be just so weird. What was the gift? Apply touch. Thank you. They're probably just gonna think I'm a scammer. Sorry, guys. This is really unnecessary. Hold on. Okay, I'm back, and I got a stupid red necklace. So, yep. Here's another gift. Light touch. Thank you. Map. Ooh, thank you. Wait, I have a slot for my music. Ooh, rainbow pinwheel. Rainbow pinwheel. I'm sorry, I cannot keep necklaces. From tali 124. Fancy top hat. Thank you. Crazy 7740. Thank you. You know I can't recycle rainbow pinwheel. I recycle map. Cause what the? Oh yeah, I'm keeping that necklace for trading with my storage. Show my player card. Hi, people. Cool look. Should probably have the bottom purple though. Penguin toy. Okay, this is the last gift, I think. Nope. No, it's not. I don't think so. I don't know. I sent Tali something. And I probably don't really want to tell. So. Free gems. Okay, so that was basically all the stuff I got. Yeah. So yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to send for enchanted mail. And you know the drill and stuff. Random awkward video. And bye.